Hooked bills, big heads, upright posture, short, thick necks, and a bold black mask. Meet the shrike, a small but formidable bird. Most shrike species have an Eurasian and African distribution, with just two breeding in North America. Despite its diminutive size, the shrike is a skilled predator, capable of taking down prey much larger than itself. But believe it or not, they are songbirds, not raptors. What makes shrikes so unique? They impale their prey on thorns. They often kill more prey than they need at one time, but they don't let it go to waste. They often store food for later by impaling their prey on spines or barbed wire, earning the nickname butcher birds. This behavior might possibly be a secondary adaptation to consuming the toxic lubber grasshopper. Before consuming the grasshopper, the bird waits 1 to 2 days for its poisons to break down.